Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is Jordan.
I've got water rushing through my balls.
How dare you?
Not a chance it'll live.
And I'm Annalise.
And now it's time to go in the pool. Garlic bread. I'm drowning.
And we live for adventure, hence the name.
You can't beat them, John.
Back in November, we hopped on the Eurotunnel and started our 90-day road trip in mainland Europe.
Bonjour.
We started off in Belgium where...
It's just not us.
No, it's not
We're not
us at
city
all.
people.
No.
We thought we'd give it a go and it's too busy. We want to be
Yeah.
in the mountains or by the coast.
So we decided to head straight to Spain for the good weather. This week, we spent New Year's Eve in Alicante.
When in Rome.
Met up with some friends that you might recognise and realised that the Spanish coast isn't how we thought.
I would not come back to Spain if I was doing the coast.
And he said if you're here tomorrow you're going to get fined. Welcome back to another vlog, guys, and today we're going to be heading into Alicante.
So we've parked the van near Alicante airport. Might be a little bit loud for some, but we love watching the planes come in, so it's okay. It's about an hour and a half walk into Alicante centre. So we're making our way down there now, across the beach. It's New Year's Eve, so we've got no idea what to expect. But it should be fun. One thing I've noticed in Spain as well, there's graffiti everywhere, literally, on everything, even the bloody train. Ew.
You're not allowed any dogs in the Botanic Gardens, so Annalise is just waiting back while I go and have a little nosy and see what's about. It's quite cool. This looks mega. Wow. Turns out you can actually get around the back of it. This is flat. Right, now let's navigate back to Annalise. Here she is, found her. We're debating whether to put the dog in the bag and go in, because I know it says no dogs, but I think it's because they're running around and weeing and pooing on everything. If she's in a bag, I can't see why not.
Let me take the lid off first, Papa. Let's take that off. Right, in then. In your bed. Ready to go?
Ready to go, Bill? Looks like we're going in then. Well, that was a nice little stop to break up the long walk, wasn't it?
Really nice, yeah.
Put my jacket on, I'm sweating again. I keep forgetting how warm it is.
I know, don't underestimate how we're dressed. We're dressed like this because we're going to be in Alicante until like...
Late tonight, so
yeah.
It's going to be cold.
So we know it's going to turn cold, but right now it's absolutely boiling. So we've finally made it into the centre.
Honestly, that was a killer of a walk.
Oh, it was, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I feel knackered and I'm dying for an ice cold Coca-Cola with a slice of lemon.
Oh, I need a coffee, wake me up. Oh, I'll tell you what though, we are going to go over to a place called Foster's Hollywood. It looks like an American diner.
So the burger place was closed, everywhere's shutting early for the fiesta, which we didn't realise, but we've found ourselves a nice little Indian right on the front.
Yeah, can't wait, I'm starving now. Really hungry after that walk.
Yeah.
It's terrible, isn't it?
Really terrible. I got my Coca-Cola with lemon, just what we needed. Jordan's got his Estrella.
Estrella down.
Yeah.
Get in.
The starters have arrived. And the mains, so we've got chicken tikka masala. We thought that we'd play it safe.
Oh, I can't wait for this food now.
So dinner's done, Lily's just had her dinner, and we're going to head down kind of in the middle of like the city centre. Apparently there's some fireworks on tonight, live music. We're just at McDonald's while Jordan goes to the toilet, but apparently you can't go in the toilet unless you've got a code on the bottom of your receipt that you put in and then the door opens for you. I think he's absolutely desperate for a wee. This is the best thing that we've ever bought. Lily in a bag. The Spanish tradition on New Year is to eat 12 grapes on the lead up to the ding, ding countdown, at New Year.
And if you've got to wear red undies. Yeah,
red underwear. And it gives you good luck for the New Year, apparently.
We've just stopped for a cheeky sangria or for a knacker in me drink. Do you eat?
No. When in Rome.
Can't believe she's made me wear one of these.
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Oh. It's currently 8 o'clock. 4 hours to go. We're flagging. We're absolutely knackered.
Is it red? 4 hours?
Yeah, it's 8 o'clock.
Oh, sake. We're literally running for the fireworks because we've missed it. Thought it was going off by the harbour, but it's not. It's actually going off on the actual beach. That better not be it.
Oh,
it only went off for 2 seconds.
I know, it's a bit of an anticlimax, that, wasn't it?
It was a little bit of an anticlimax. That better not be the last of it.
Hung around for 6 hours.
He's hung around for 6 hours for 3 fireworks. Hey, you get more in a Morrison's goodie bag. One of them budget bags.
You get more at Shirley Park.
Oh no, here we go. See, I told you. You're not finished yet.
Good morning. So we've not picked the camera up since New Year's Eve and it is currently the 2nd of January, so we've had a day off. But we're heading back to our favourite beach now before making our way slowly back home, unfortunately. But we've got company.
She's calling me, like the rainbow, She's calling me, like the rainbow,
As you all seen on our nude video, we headed to that beach last night and it was absolutely ridiculous. The amount of motorhomes there was just unbelievable. Harry and Rachel from Harry's Adventures, they came with us as well. I was telling them how good the beach was, and then when we got there they were like, oh my god, what the hell is going on here? And it was just a sea of motorhomes. The police came down taking everybody's reg, and they said if you're here tomorrow you're going to get fined. So we moved on, but we could not find anywhere. I don't know what's gone on within the space of a week, but we come down and look at this. It is literally full with motorhomes.
So we've found a little cove beach just behind where we're parked. So we're going to make the most of the sunny weather and enjoy today, and then find somewhere else to park tonight, I think. So they found a little hidden cove beach that you have to go on by paddleboard. So we've got the backpack, Lily's on board. Good girl. Oh. Hey! Come on in. Woohoo! Yeah!
So we're going to move on today and hopefully find somewhere that we can park up where we're not basically congregating. Stop, baby. There we go.
As well, it says it's not recommended for big vans.
Where's that?
Can try it.
That's down that way?
Someone said when to avoid if it rains.
One of those, isn't it?
Do you not want to try and find somewhere up there to the right, out the way?
Yeah, we may as well try and do that before we go anywhere else.
Yeah, and then have a little walk. Have a nosy.
Let's have a little try.
Go on.
So this seems to be the problem that we're having everywhere along the coast in Spain at the minute.
It's getting ridiculous.
Everywhere we go, it is just like heavily populated by motorhomes.
It's ridiculous now.
But now I would not come back to Spain if I was doing the coast. Like
We're going to
right
get a
off.
smaller camper van again as well, aren't we?
Yeah.
I know that was a bit of a short video, but thanks for watching guys. Please hit like and subscribe, and we just wanted to show you what we got up to during the New Year period, but we will be back with a longer video next week, so stay tuned. Catch you on the next one.